going to see how to share Facebook stories on Android. So to do that, let's head over to Facebook application first. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in into your desired account and then head over to the story section. Just tap on the plus and here just any sort of story you want. So suppose I am just tapping using this picture, and here you can use any music you want. From here you can search them by your taste, genre, or any artist you want. Once you are done, just tap on the play icon, and then you can just use it. You can also tag people by tapping tag people in here and use effects or draw anything you want. You can also tap on text to add any text. So you can just choose with whom you want to share this story. Tap on privacy to choose if you want to share it publicly or to friends or to custom. And once you are done, just tap on share. And as you can see, my Facebook story is getting shared. And once it is done, it will be just posted on my Facebook. So if I just refresh, if I head over to my story section, as you can see, I can see my story now. So yeah, this is how you can post your Facebook story too. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.